Hello, welcome to the TechBits YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to cover how to change your Postgres account password. That said, we're going to click on the terminal and type in and expand sudo password for the account. It's going to ask us our current password. And then, once we type it correctly, we enter a new password. Once that happens, we can try again connecting with a new password. And that is successful. We can determine and check in who we are. I am logged in as Postgres. And once I get out of that shell, I am correctly configured. That is how you change your password for your Postgres account. See you on the next video.